Today we're going to be making our own butterfly art, also called summer birds. Start by folding a paper in half the short way. Open it up and then draw half of your butterfly. Then fold it back up and cut along the lines. This is going to make your butterfly symmetrical. It'll be the same on both sides. When you're ready, start adding designs in whatever shapes and lines you choose, but whatever you do to one side of your butterfly, you're going to do to the other side in the exact same place. When you're done adding all your designs and patterns, start coloring. You can use marker, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you choose. If you don't have any color, it's okay to leave it black and white, or maybe just add lots of patterns to make up for the color. Remember, we're working symmetrically, so whatever we do to one side of our butterfly, we want to do the same thing on the other side, with our colors just as much as with our designs. Check out the extra YouTube video that I included under Project 10 if you need ideas of different types of butterflies that might inspire your designs. Check out some of my finished butterflies. If you don't have scissors to cut out your butterfly, it's okay to just keep your paper whole. What you're going to do is just draw symmetrically. Whatever you do to one side of your paper, you do to the other. If it helps, you can fold your paper in half. That way you know just where the middle is. Here's my finished butterfly. I hope you enjoy making your summer birds, also called butterflies.